Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2022. Question number 5A. Explain with neat sketch vapor absorption evaporation system using water and ammonia with all modifications. So this topic I have downloaded from internet. You can also refer internet or see paper book. So I am just reading it out. A vapor evaporation system using ammonia water with modifications typically includes components like generator, absorber, condenser, evaporator, rectifier, heat exchanger and pumps with key improvement focusing on enhancing efficiency, temperature control and addressing potential issues like ammonia purity by incorporating features like two-stage evaporation, heat recovery, improved rectification, pressure control and optimized fluid flow designed to better suit specific cooling needs and heat source availability. So the key component of this system are and their function are: first is generator, heat and strong heat. Generator heats the strong ammonia vapor solution, causing ammonia vapor to separate from the water, creating a weak ammonia solution that returns to the absorber. Second component is rectifier, purifies ammonia vapor by removing any residual water vapor before it reaches the condenser. Third component is condenser, cools the ammonia vapor, condensing it into liquid. Fourth component is evaporator, low pressure liquid ammonia evaporates, absorbing heat from the surrounding environment to produce cooling. Next component is absorber, absorb the low pressure ammonia vapor into weak ammonia water solution, releasing heat. Pump, circulate concentrated ammonia vapor solution from absorber to generator. So this is a diagram of vapor compression cycle. This is your absorber, this is heat exchanger, this is pump, this is generator, and this is your cooling water. This is your rectifier. Sorry, this is condenser, this is receiver, this is heat exchanger, this is evaporator. Okay, so this is practical ammonia water vapor absorption system. Okay. So this is the system. Now modification for improved efficiency. Two-stage evaporation enables cooling at different temperature different temperature levels by creating creating separate evaporator sections with different pressures aligned for better heat recovery and matching cooling needs. Next is heat recovery, utilizing heat exchanger to transfer heat from the hot concentrated solution, leaving the generator to preheat the weak solution, emptying the generator, improving efficiency. Next is improved rectification, implementing a more efficient rectification column to minimize water vapor in the ammonia vapor, preventing potential freezing issue in the condenser. Next is pressure control, precise regulation of system pressure to optimize cooling performance and prevent potential issues like flooding in the condenser. Optimize fluid flow design, careful design of pipe sizes and flow rate to ensure even distribution of fluid throughout the system and minimize pressure drop. And last is low temperature ammonia evaporation system, modification to operate at lower temperature, making them suitable for application like food storage or industrial processes.